How to fix no internet connection problem on TikTok. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. If you're using the TikTok account, you're getting the no internet connection error over and over again and you can't use that, then here's the real guide of how you can fix the problem. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the TikTok no internet connection problem, open up the settings app from your phone, and from the settings homepage, scroll down to the apps section and then go and tap on apps, and inside the apps you just need to go ahead and search for TikTok here. And once you get the TikTok app, go ahead and tap on the TikTok and then scroll down a little bit and tap on the storage option, and inside the storage at the bottom right you'll get to see the clear cache option, where you can manually find out the clear cache for the TikTok application and then tap on the clear cache. And once you do that, pretty much good to go. Just get back from here, and the very last thing that you have to do, go and swipe down from the very top and do it again and enable the airplane mode for, let's say, 10 to 20 seconds. This will slightly reset the network system and then turn this option off. And even you can try switching your network Wi-Fi to mobile data if you're using Wi-Fi then, or if you're still using the mobile data, then switch your network to a stable Wi-Fi connection. And right after that, go ahead and open up the TikTok from your device again and see if that fixes your problem or not. Most likely your problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.